everybody, welcome to Hello to Beauty. This is Emily with Hello Beauty. If you want to go ahead and click that subscribe button because subscribing is free and we all like free things in this world, do we not? And also turn on those post notifications as well if you want to know every time I post. You get a ding ding and you know I'm posting. Also, at the end of the video, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and that lets me know that you actually did like it, okay? So I did want to get into this video. Juvia's Place Afrogalactic palette. Ever since it came out, I have been absolutely obsessed and I've been wanting to try it out. We're gonna try it out today, along with this eyeliner that is named METAVERSE. I'm gonna do this video a little bit differently than I have in the past, just because I myself have ADHD and probably a lot of you have ADHD, so I know a lot of you like to skip to the end, just see the final look, the final presentation, whatever. So I'm gonna only put a couple snippets in here when I'm actually applying the product, just so you can see what it looks like by your skin. And then I'm just gonna skip to the end and show you guys the final look with what I decide to do, okay? This is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really am obsessed with these colors. I'm absolutely obsessed. I mean, they... Juvia's Place killed it with another palette. Yes, ma'am, you did. Yes, ma'am. Guys, again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay cute, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in my next video, y'all.